17th. Today is what? What is today? What's today?
Sunday.
Father's Day. All right. All right. So, just quick summary on how Ethan is doing. On his forehand side, we just started doing something called the bottom of the C, which is the bottom of the letter C from position 2 to contact point. He had a tendency to go too straight forward, and so we did this visualization of focus on the bottom part of his big C, imaginary C in front of him, and he does it really good. I've tested to see how much he could focus on that without constantly being peppered with instruction, and he was able to do about close to 20 to 30 balls without before he started to forget to do it. The first thing that happens on the forehand side when he forgets to do that part particularly was he makes the waiter, and the waiter seems to be something that just comes up. He's going behind a little bit on his stroke, but he's keeping the strings down for the most part. He's doing a lift to the left that's it's not complete, but it's actually pretty good for where it's at. The backhand side, the biggest things we need to focus on, and things that he can focus on really well. He can focus when he's told to make the triangle. He can focus on that. Flat table is a little bit more iffy. He doesn't do that so much. To tip up at the first V, we're doing that because he drops it a little bit too early. Bringing the right side through to the shot, he doesn't do that so well. On his serve, still letting him do a semi-Western type of service grip, and just because he has a good motion, we've worked on continuous motion to try and smooth out the trophy position for him. He has a tendency to, like, at the beginning, it was like flippy floppy all over the place with it. He tossed the ball, it's getting better. He tries not to hit bad tosses. His right foot continues to go in front of the service line. So try to emphasize to him that he has to pay attention to that, because in match play that'll be considered a fault. I don't know if he knows what a fault is. Like, the rules of the game I haven't really explained to him too much, so we'll have to probably start to do that. I figure he's about a year away from playing actual tournaments, or maybe sooner. He's progressing well. Did today volleys, introduction to volleys. Just basically showed him the correct grip, tight grip. Make sure you hold the grip tight, ready position. Show me? Ready position. Show me. All right. So he understands that. On the forehand side, we just basically reach forward. Remember, pretend the net's this way. While you walk forward, I pretend you're hitting that way. Okay, go. Oh, so basically just reaching forward and tapping it over the net. Really? Then you're hitting this direction. Okay. He's not really. He's not. He. All right. So the net is the net is that direction now. He usually follows instructions quite well. All right. The backhand side that's how bad it looked. So he works a lot on the forehand side, not much on the backhand side. Backhand side might be a little bit of a challenge. May have to go ahead and do